Namaste everyone, it's me Vishwas Paudel from Prithvi Narayan Secondary School studying grade 9. Today I am in front of you to submit a project work given by our health teacher Ananta Fayal. The topic of my project work is Demography and Population Change. Let's begin it. I will tell in both languages, English and Nepali. Unit 2, Demography and Population Change. First of all, we should know the definition of demography. Demography is a branch of science which study about population and analyze the various issues related to population in a scientific manner. Demography भनेको चाहिँ जनसङ्ख्याको बारेमा विभिन्न किसिमका जानकारी लिने एक किसिमको विषय हो, साइन्सको ब्रान्च हो, जसबाट चाहिँ हामीले यसबारे जानकारी लिएर यससँग रिलेटेड विभिन्न किसिमका मुद्दाहरू लड्न सक्छौं. In narrow sense, demography is defined as formal demography and wider sense social demography. सजिलो तरिकामा चाहिँ डेमोग्राफीलाई चाहिँ फर्मल डेमोग्राफी भनिन्छ भने साइन्टिफिक तरिकामा चाहिँ यसलाई सोशल डेमोग्राफी भनिन्छ. Let's move to another topic, census. What is census? Census is defined as demographic process of collecting information about people of particular geographical area within fixed period of time. जनगणना भनेको चाहिँ एउटा छोटो अवधिमा विशेष भौगोलिक क्षेत्रका मानिसहरूको बारेमा जानकारी बनाउनु हो. According to UNO, census is defined as a census of population is a total process of collecting, combining, evaluating, analyzing and publishing demographic, economic and social data pertaining at a specific time all the person in the country or in a delimited part of the country. सेन्सस भनेको चाहिँ मानिसको बारेमा कतिजना मानिस छन् भनेर काउन्ट गर्नु मात्र हैन, उनीहरूको इकोनोमिक सोशल डाटालाई प्रिटेन्डिङ गरेर उनीहरू कहाँ बस्छन्, के काम गर्छन्, उनीहरूको मुख्य इन्कम स्रोत के हो, उनीहरूको पारिवारिक अवस्था कस्तो छ, भौगोलिक अवस्था कस्तो छ भन्ने बारे पनि जानकारी लिनु हो. Let's start another topic, history of census in Nepal. In Nepal, first census was conducted in 1911 AD. This census was not systematic and scientific. The modern type of scientific census was started in 1952-54, but it was of not international standard and it was not conducted properly. It was conducted at two different times. It was conducted in Eastern Nepal in 1952 and Western Nepal in 1954. The census of 1961 AD was conducted properly and was the first census of international standard. Since then, the census has been conducted in every 10 years with various improvements. The latest census of Nepal is 11th census, which was held in 2011 AD. Today, the census are conducted under the UN guidelines. So, schedule of the census is almost similar in global. So, there are many things which are happen in the history of census in Nepal, so we should study them and focus. नेपालमा पहिलो जनगणना 1911 एडीमा भएको थियो, तर त्यो सिस्टमेटिक र साइन्टिफिक थिएन. त्यसैले 1952 देखि लिएर 54 एडीसम्म भएको जनगणनालाई चाहिँ नेपालको पहिलो मोडर्न टाइप अफ scientific census मानिन्छ. Generally, census is carried out by mainly three methods. They are de facto methods, de jure method and modified de jure method. De facto method. In this method, the census is conducted on the basis of usual place of residence. During this method, the government declares the actual date as census date and the people are pre-informed of counting. People are counted where they are found. This method is also known as one-night enumeration as it is conducted in the night time. This method is used mostly in urban areas where highly educated people live. यसलाई चाहिँ नेपालीमा विशेषतः वास्तविक पक्ष भनिन्छ। यस विधिमा जनगणना सामान्य निवास स्थानको आधारमा गरिन्छ। यस विधिको बखत सरकारले वास्तविक मितिलाई जनगणना मिति घोषणा गर्दछ र जनतालाई मतगणनाको प्रमुख सूचना दिन्छ। मानिसहरू भेटिन्छन् जहाँ त्यहाँ उनीहरूको विवरण लिइन्छ। यो विधिलाई एक रात गणना पनि भनिन्छ किनकि यो रातमा सञ्चालन हुन्छ र विशेषतः यो उच्च शिक्षित मानिसहरू बस्ने शहरी क्षेत्रमा हुने गर्दछ र यही हुने गर्दछ यो जहिले पनि। The second method is de jure method of census. In this method, the census is conducted on the basis of permanent address of the people. The people or foreigners living in temporary resident are not calculated. Means that the people who are from Nuwakot and living Kathmandu for study, they are not counted there. Yes, the government declares the census period 2 to 3 weeks to await the citizens for counting the population. The population counting should complete within given period. This method is also known as enumeration. This method used in many developing countries like Nepal, China, India, Japan, etc. यसलाई चाहिँ अब म नेपालीमा पनि भन्न गइरहेको छु। यस विधिमा जनगणना भनेको जनताको स्थायी ठेगानाको आधारमा हुन्छ। यदि ऊ अस्थायी निवासमा बस्ने मानिस हो या विदेशी हो भने उसको जनगणना हुँदैन। सरकारले जनगणनाको अवधि 2 देखि 3 हप्ता घोषित गरेको हुन्छ। जनसङ्ख्या गणना गत अवधिभित्र पुरा गर्नुपर्छ। यो विधिलाई अवधि गणनाको रूपमा चिनिन्छ वा चिनिने गरिन्छ। यो विधि धेरै विकसशील कन्ट्रीहरू जस्तै नेपालमा पनि भइरहेकै छ। We should utilize it. Important question for exam. 5 difference between de facto method and de jure method which can be asked in exam easily and you can do that easily. Yes. Difference is here. De facto method. De facto method is the method of census which is conducted on the basis of usual place of residence. It is quite unscientific method of counting population. A particular night of day is determined and census is done. The night of census is called census night. Nowadays, it is only done in urban areas where highly educated people live. De jure method. De jure method of census is method of census which is conducted on the basis of permanent resident. It is scientific method of counting population. A particular 2 to 3 weeks are determined and census is done. The separated week for census is known as census period. This method of census is globally accepted by many developing countries and developed countries like Nepal, China, America, क्यानाडा एसेक्ट्रा। र म एउटा सूचना दिन चाहन्छु कि म यसलाई चाहिँ डिस्क्राइब गर्दिनँ किनभने यसलाई हामीले डिफ्याक्टो मेथड र de jure मेथडको पढ्दाखेरि पहिले नै डिस्क्राइब गरिसकेका छौँ र मोडर्न डिफ्याक्टो मेथडलाई पनि म यो भिडियोमा चाहिँ गर्नेवाला छैन। I want to inform that we are in the last phases of our class. Feature characteristics of census. It provides first-hand information. It is the data bank of human population. It is conducted by using 2 methods, de facto and de jure method. Every unit of population is counted without duplication or omission. It is continued at definite time period and regular interval. It covers all parts of country. विशेषताहरू। यसका विशेषताहरू। यसले प्रथम हात जानकारी प्रदान गर्दछ। यो मानव जनसङ्ख्याको दातामयिक हो। यो दुई विधिहरू डिफ्याक्टो र de jure विधि प्रयोग गरेर सञ्चालन गरिन्छ। प्रत्येक जनसङ्ख्या नक्कली हो वा होइन भनेर जनगणनाले आधारित गर्छ। पपुलेसन यो निश्चित समय अवधि र नियमित अन्तरालमा गरिन्छ। यसले देशका सबै भागहरूलाई विभिन्न रूपमा समेट्छ। Advantages of census. It helps to collect information about present growth rate of population, sex composition of population, death rate, fertility rate, birth rate, population ratio, etc., which are very useful for demographic analysis of the country. Life table can be constructed by using this information given by the census. Census is for comparative study among the variables between a country and among institutions. It helps for comparative study among the variables with a country and among the country. यसले जनसङ्ख्या वर्तमान वृद्धि दर, जनसङ्ख्याको उमेर संरचना, मृत्यु दर, उब्रता दर, जनसङ्ख्या अनुपातका विभिन्न कुराहरूलाई एनालाइसिस गर्छ र लाइफ टेबल पनि बनाउन सकिन्छ। हामी आफ्नै लाइफ टेबल आफैले कन्स्ट्रक्ट गर्न सक्छौँ। हामीले यसको लागि चाहिँ विभिन्न सेन्ससबाट कलेक्टेड इन्फर्मेसनको युटिलाइज गर्नुपर्दछ। जनगणनाले चाहिँ देशभित्र र संस्थाभित्रको तुलनात्मक अध्ययन गर्न सहयोग पुर्याउँछ। एक देश र अर्को देशबिचको जनगणनाको भिन्नता पनि यसले समेटेकै हुन्छ। तपाईहरूलाई मेरो प्रोजेक्ट वर्क मन पर्यो होला र म अझ यसलाई सकेसम्म सुधार्ने छु।